Cryptocurrency, now more in 2021 than ever before, is taking the world by storm and completely restructuring the global financial structure with a much-needed breath of fresh air. Today, we're going to be looking at what cryptocurrency is, why it's important, and why you should be getting in on the action. And be sure to subscribe if you have not, for all things cryptocurrency. Alright, let's get into it. In order to understand what is cryptocurrency, we need to understand its background. With this understanding, you will be able to better comprehend all of the revolutionary changes that are happening in the virtual currency space from the ground up. In the last decade, we have witnessed several technological advances, such as the development of the internet, cell phones, video games, and the overall internet usage around the world. One such technological advancement has been the development of cryptocurrency, which, if you aren't familiar with the term, is a type of virtual currency issued by software developers and ran on virtual machines. In the past decade, several different types of currencies have been issued, including the euro, US dollar, Japanese yen, and the British pound. At one point, nearly every single country in the world had their own cryptocurrency, and until recently, most people did not even know they were being issued with their own cryptocurrency. Recently, however, some of these currencies, including the Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, and the Canadian maple leaf, have been issued in an attempt to replace the traditional currencies. While this is a very commendable goal, it is important to understand why cryptocurrency was introduced in the first place. By now, you should be able to see why the future of the internet and cryptocurrency is very bright. There are currently many new applications for both the internet and for cryptocurrencies to take advantage of. One such application is the ability for individuals to use their computer to make instant cryptocurrency payments through their online wallet. Since it is purely digital, it is safe, secure, and convenient for everyday life, and is quickly gaining popularity with consumers who have begun using it in order to purchase goods and services all across the internet. Does this mean cryptocurrency is the financial future? Yes. Cryptocurrencies are the very first alternative to our modern and conventional banking system, and have effective benefits over previous payment techniques and also standard courses of assets. Think of them as digital money, or points if you will. This provides the user with the potential to be the fastest, easiest, cheapest, safest way to exchange worth for goods in the history of our entire financial system as a society. So, regardless of what takes place to a federal government, your cryptocurrency will certainly remain safe. There isn't any legalistic control yet by a global governing authority of them. There's also the equality aspect alone that makes them so much more intriguing. Regardless of your geographical location, as long as you have a good internet connection, you will have the same crypto access as everyone else. Cryptocurrencies create special chances for increasing individuals' economic liberty around the world. In places where rising cost of living is a crucial issue, cryptocurrencies can provide an alternative to inefficient fiat currencies for payments and cost savings. The power of cryptocurrency is certainly real and in our very near future. For example, look at something like Bitcoin, which has gone from practically useless in 2008 to thousands of dollars a coin today. Cryptocurrency trading is one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money from the internet today. It's fast because there are so many different currencies available to trade, and you can trade multiple pairs of them at the same time, thus doubling your investments in a matter of minutes. That's why it's so popular today, with more people than ever getting involved. With this popularity comes new investment opportunity, the ability for you to make money from investing in cryptocurrency, or simply cryptocurrencies themselves. There are several different reasons as to why you should be investing in them, but here are two of the most important. A good reason as to why you should be investing in cryptocurrencies is because it's a very simple way of diversifying your portfolio and securing yourself financially. In order to do this, you need to have a long-term investment portfolio, one that will allow you to benefit from the growth and stability of a given asset. For example, gold, currency, or equity in a company. By creating a new portfolio dedicated to a single asset, you will be diversifying your risk, which will allow you to reduce the impact of any shocks or changes in the market on your assets. By choosing to invest in a variety of currencies and chains, you will also diversify your portfolio and protect yourself against any one particular asset failing. This is very important, as the failure of any single asset will affect the entirety of your portfolio, which will have a negative impact on your wealth. Finally, investing in cryptocurrencies is a good investment because it's a very simple process. Investors don't need to know a lot about the market. They just need to have an online account and a brokerage account, and they can start investing in a few coins. It's that easy. However, the simplicity also makes it vulnerable to scammers and other bad elements that can distract investors. It's important to always research the investment opportunities available and choose to invest in cryptocurrencies, such as trading in Global Resorts Network, Digital Asset Exchange, or eToro, so that you can minimize the risk of scams. By staying informed and following the industry, you will increase the profitability and success of your investments and become a profitable investor. So, that's great and all, but how does cryptocurrency actually work? Great question. Bitcoin is actually the original as well as the most well-known. Yet there are countless types of cryptocurrencies. Lots of, like Bitcoin and Bitcoin money, share Bitcoin's core attributes. However, discover brand new ways to process transactions. Others provide a bigger variety of attributes. Ethereum, for example, can be used to run applications as well as developed contracts. All four, nevertheless, are based on a suggestion called the blockchain, which is key to comprehending just exactly how cryptocurrency works. Let's talk about a blockchain. This is a checklist of transactions that virtually anybody can watch and validate. For example, a Bitcoin blockchain is a record of every single time that somebody gets a Bitcoin or sends one. Blockchains are essential for cryptocurrencies because there's no third party handling the in-between, like a bank would. So, a blockchain sits in place to allow people who don't recognize each other to send crypto back and forth. However, blockchain technology is not exclusive to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency use. It's being tested with sharing sensitive documents, simplifying supply chains, and boosting personal privacy online, and far more real-world applications. Due to the nature of blockchain ledger being split across multiple computers on a large network, they all help keep the blockchain in check and accurate. This ensures that the data source isn't centralized in one source to be hacked, taken, or altered. So, how do we buy cryptocurrency? Well, to purchase cryptocurrency, we need to purchase them through an online exchange, like Coinbase, for example. We can buy coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, etc. There are also emerging coins that are coming out that you can explore. The best thing is that you don't need to buy an entire coin. You can just purchase portions of a coin in smaller increments. The easiest way to decide what cryptocurrency to buy is to determine what are your end-term goals. For example, Bitcoin is one of the most widely accepted cryptocurrencies on the market, allowing you to buy just about anything. But Ethereum, on the other hand, is very popular in the digital realm. Those things are great, but what else can we do with cryptocurrency? Due to the demand and popularity of cryptocurrency, more and more options are exploding every day, beyond just basic commerce. For example, there are some people who exclusively use cryptocurrency when traveling globally, since cryptocurrency isn't country exclusive. Others could also use it to donate to large causes and efforts, since Most organizations are now accepting donations from cryptocurrency. Even some VPNs, like Orchid, is now using cryptocurrency, while running on the Ethereum network. There's a large section of people looking to recreate a global financial system. Everything from mutual fund-like investments to loan lending mechanisms in an exciting new way. So, now that we know all about cryptocurrency, let's lastly talk about how to store cryptocurrency. Storing cryptocurrency is a lot like storing actual cash. Just like holding real cash in a wallet, you hold crypto in a digital wallet via a secure place like Coinbase, for example. Anyone using a cryptocurrency exchange can do things like securely store, receive, send, and convert various cryptocurrencies on their account. But what about transferring that to your bank account? Much like modern banking transactions, there are of course daily limits, but it doesn't differ much from things like PayPal, for example, when depositing money virtually into your bank account. Just like any other online transaction, it might take a few days or possibly a week for the transaction to go through. Hopefully, this has been a wealth of information for you if you're just wanting to get into the amazing world of cryptocurrency and marvel at its power. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on all things cryptocurrency.